Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new experiment video. The experiment name is liquid smoke experiment. So let's go into the video.
This experiment we have taken this glass tumbler, one pencil, one piece of aluminium foil and 5 matchsticks. So now let's see how to collect this liquid smoke. Now we'll take these 5 matchsticks, we'll keep it at the end of this foil here, and we'll keep this paper here, pencil here. This pencil is for rolling purpose, and now we will roll this foil. Now we'll roll this foil this way. So now we'll take out this pencil. Rolling this, we will close this end of the foil where this matchstick is. Now we'll place this into this glass tumbler like this. So this is how we'll place it. Since the matchstick is in this area, we will light this area where the matchstick is to collect the smoke. See, the smoke is collected into the bottom of this tumbler. So now we'll take this out. The smoke coming out from this. You can see the smoke collected. Smoke is collected. Now you can see the smoke collected in the bottom of the tumbler like liquid. Now we'll pour the smoke out. Wow, such a nice experiment. All the smoke has come out. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video.
Please like, share, comment in the comment box, and please like our video and subscribe to the channel.
The experiment is a success.
And thank you for watching our video. Bye.